Coi Leray braids. So she has been trending on Instagram and TikTok with her beautiful hairstyle. So I thought, let me show you guys a tutorial on how to do this on your hair at home. Okay, so the hair that I used was the 3-in-1 Ghana xpression twist pre-stretch hair in the color 1B, and it is 50 inches. Now I used 1 pack of this, and I also had 1 bundle left over from my previous protective hairstyle. So if you want to be safe and ensure you have enough hair to do this hairstyle, I would suggest buying 1 to 2 packs of hair. I also use the Shine Hair Wax Gel for my hair, Blue Magic Hair and Scalp Conditioner for the length of my hair, olive oil mousse. To curl my hair, I use Flexi rods and Perm rods. So you can use either or both. Now let's jump straight into this video. So the first thing you want to do is to ensure that you use the hair wax gel and you gel down that hair, and you use your fine teeth comb and your edge brush and brush it in. Then you want to start making the braid, and you're going to start feeding in 3 pieces. Now the size of my piece was medium size because I was doing them big, and you want to ensure that all of the pieces are the same size. And then you feed in 3 pieces and you braid down and stop at a desired length. Now for me, I wanted more curls on my hair, so I stopped about shoulder length and I attached a rubber band, or if not, you can make a knot with the braid and you would curl the ends. You want to also add some of the hair wax gel to your natural hair. Now this blends your hair properly with the braiding hair and also gives it a more defined look. It makes the hair last longer in the braid. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the back and I did 2 at the front already. So this is the hair. So I'm going to finish the 4 parts that I have left at the front, and then I'm going to curl the end. Now that the hair is fully detangled, you're going to apply the wax hair gel to the root of your hair, and then you're going to take an edge brush or any brush or a fine teeth comb. You're going to gel it down and ensure that the hair is laid down. You want to apply a lot of product because you want the hair to be looking laid. I also add some Blue Magic Hair and Scalp Conditioner to the length of my hair because I want my hair to be moisturized underneath the braid. So now I'm just going to be separating the hair and starting on the braid. Now I'm going to be adding some of the hair wax gel to my natural hair, because you don't want your natural hair to be sticking out of the braids because it don't look cute. I feed in 3 pieces of hair for every braid. So I'm adding some of these to my hair. So now I'm going to stop, so I grab 2 rubber bands and I just attach it, so I make sure there. That's how you know you ready, when like this side ain't moving. Okay, now time to start. So I divide the hair into 3 pieces and start braiding very tight, and I'll start feeding in hair. You want to ensure that you feed in all the hair from the beginning of the braid. So all you would do is to just braid the hair to your desired length. So now I'm just going to braid down. Try not to get the hair tangled and stuff because you're curling the end. And I just braid. And I'm braiding very tight, you know. Down. And you want to start adding some gel, some of the gel, the wax gel, to your natural hair, so it's just laid down within the braid like that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single Friday. And don't forget to check me out on all my social medias. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!